A very good morning, students. As you all know, the experiment play a very important role in any scientific study. So I am here with the small experiment, the study of solubility in terms of solute, solvent and solution. So for this experiment, we need a glass with little water in it and a bowl with some sugar. So first here we take in glass some water here. Now children, did you observe I have marked the level of water with the help of marker. So the help of the marker I have marked, and we know that there is this much water of in the glass. Now this sugar is the solid. Here taking two things, first sugar powder and it's a solid, and second here it's a water and it's a liquid form. Now we will try to mix sugar with water. We will take some sugar and put it in the glass. Now here we will take powdered sugar and we will mix it. Now what happens when you mix sugar and water? The sugar disappear. Now you can observe. Okay, we can observe that in this water there is no sugar. So it will become, now the solvent has the solute in it, will become a solution. Now solute and solvent, then it's become a solution. So a solution is a mixture of solute and solvent. Solute and solvent, then it's become a solution. Okay, now please observe the solution carefully. After mixing, if we observe the solution, we see there is no sugar in it, which means that sugar disappear. There is no sugar particle in this water. So where did the sugar go? The molecules in the sugar, they occupied the spaces between the molecules of water, so that is why the level that we have marked, let us check. Now students, first when we have taken the water in this glass, just here we have marked the glass. Now we can observe that increase the level of water. No, water level is exactly same as before, which means the sugar did not increase the volume of water. It only occupied the sugar spaces between molecules of water. So now I hope you understood that a sugar powder is solute and a water, clean water, is solvent, and after mixing then it's become a solution. Okay students, sugar particles disappear when sugar is soluble in water and sugar dissolve in water. So now I hope you understood this concept. Okay students.